In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, AliShark and Niche Scraper. Whether you're doing dropshipping or Amazon FBA, no matter what, it's always gonna be true that if you use the right tools to find the best products to sell, and if you're also able to learn from your competitors, that's gonna give you an edge in business. And if you pick the wrong tool, that's a great way to waste a lot of time and money. So watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision, because I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools, including the product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, and much more. Now, for your convenience, I've included the links to both AliShark and Niche Scraper in the description of this video so you can check them out. And now let's get started. AliShark excels in product discovery by offering real-time data on thousands of products from AliExpress. Users can filter products based on numerous criteria such as sales volume, growth rates, and the number of orders. This enables dropshippers to quickly identify products that are gaining traction and likely to be profitable. How does AliShark do with market analysis? Well, market analysis with AliShark is really comprehensive. It provides users with detailed insights into the performance of products over time. The platform offers graphs and charts detailing sales trends, price changes, order volumes, and it allows users to access market demand and make informed decisions based on the current preferences of the consumer. So how does AliShark, how well does it integrate with other platforms? Well, while AliShark focuses on product research and does not directly integrate with e-commerce platforms like Shopify for listing or inventory management, the insights that you can gain from their analytics can really help you leverage the product listings on your platform, whether you're using Shopify or WooCommerce or any other platform. So you can take the insights that you learn from AliShark and apply it to your business no matter which platform you're using. What about the supplier database? Well, AliShark does not include a traditional supplier database, but they do provide direct links to suppliers on AliExpress for each product. This allows users to evaluate supplier reliability and product quality by reviewing ratings and feedback directly on AliExpress. So what about the pricing and profitability tools? AliShark includes features that allows users to see potential profitability based on current price trends and average product costs on AliExpress. So while it's not as detailed as some standalone pricing tools, these features can help dropshippers estimate their margins and set competitive pricing strategies. What about the user interface and ease of use? AliShark offers a user-friendly interface that is intuitive and easy to navigate. The platform's design is streamlined to ensure that even new users to dropshipping can efficiently utilize its features without a really steep learning curve. But what about their customer support and community? AliShark provides customer support through live chat and email, ensuring users can get help when needed. Additionally, it maintains an active community on platforms like Facebook, where users can share tips, discuss strategies, and get updates about platform changes. But now you might want to know about their pricing structure, like how much they charge and how much you'd have to spend. AliShark operates on a subscription basis with a flat monthly fee that gives users full access to all its features. If you actually want to try it out, you can try out AliShark using the link in the description for 2 days for just $1. So it's a great time to try it out. You can cancel at any time. Now, what about their automation features? So while AliShark focuses on manual research and does not include automation features for managing your dropshipping operations, its real-time tracking of product metrics and alerts provides a semi-automated system that can help you stay updated on the market trends. So speaking of trends, what about their analytics and reporting that you can get for your business on AliShark? The platform provides robust analytics and reporting capabilities with detailed data on product performance that can be accessed through customizable dashboards dashboards. These analytics are crucial for tracking the success of products and for adjusting strategies accordingly. Now let's talk about their mobile app availability. So unfortunately, at this moment, AliShark does not offer a mobile app, which can be a limitation for users who want to do research on the go. So if they're away from your laptop, you can't use your phone to find insights. What do customers have to say about AliShark? Well, the general reviews for AliShark are quite positive, with many users praising the extensive data on AliExpress products and the ease of use of the interface. Some users have expressed a desire for more direct integration with e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, and there have also been requests for more features for managing supplier relationships. But overall, AliShark delivers on many different aspects, and it can be a really useful tool for any dropshipping business. Niche Scraper excels in product discovery. You can see they have an entire section right here on their website. They've got a product scraper and also a section called Handpicked. You get access to a handpicked selection of trending products here. The platform utilizes a robust scraping technology to analyze thousands of products daily from e-commerce platforms like Shopify, AliExpress, and more. Users can search through these products using advanced filtering options, including profitability, sales volume, and recent trends, making it a really powerful tool for uncovering hidden gems. Now, what about market analysis? Well, market analysis is another really strong suit for Niche Scraper. It offers detailed insights into product trends, demand, and competition levels. Users can also access sales data and engagement statistics to better understand the market dynamics of potential products. This comprehensive analysis is essential for making informed decisions and staying ahead in really competitive markets. But what about their integration with other platforms? Niche Scraper provides seamless integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products into their Shopify stores. And while the focus is primarily on Shopify, it offers enough information to be useful for people that are using other platforms as well, although direct integration might be limited with other platforms. But what about their supplier database? Well, Niche Scraper does not directly offer a supplier database, but it focuses more on product metrics and trends. Users need to conduct their own supplier research or pair Niche Scraper with another tool that offers direct supplier connections. And what about their profitability and pricing tools? Well, Niche Scraper includes a profit calculator that helps estimate the potential earnings by considering various factors like shipping costs, product costs, and suggested retail prices. This tool is invaluable. It's super useful for quickly assessing whether a product could actually make you money or if it's gonna destroy your business. Now, what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of Niche Scraper is straightforward. It's pretty easy, although it doesn't look as beautiful as some other platforms that I've seen, but I guess that doesn't really matter because it's still really powerful and it does the job, which is what really matters at the end of the day. They do have clear navigation and explanatory elements that makes it easy for most users to find all their features. As you can see, their product discovery, market research, and all the stuff is right here on their homepage for you to easily see, so you know exactly what to do. Now, what about customer support and community? Well, Niche Scrapers offers customer support through email and an extensive knowledge base. They also have an active Facebook group where users can share insights, they can ask questions, and they can learn from each other's experiences. So it's a really healthy platform in that matter. What about their pricing? Well, pricing is obviously important, so let's see how much it actually costs. Now, Niche Scraper does not actually have a clear pricing section on their website, which is kind of annoying, but if you actually Google their pricing, you can see a review that tells you that their Scraper Pro plan starts at about $50 a month, and they offer lots of comprehensive features such as analysis of ad spy and Shopify stores. The good thing about Niche Scraper is that you don't have to worry about that because you can actually get started with it completely for free. What about automation features? Now, Niche Scraper does not offer extensive automation features for managing like regular day-to-day dropshipping operations, but its product scraping and analytics can help you streamline the product research phase by a mile. It's just amazing. So what about analytics and reporting? The platform offers detailed analytics and reporting features, allowing users to track product performances and market trends comprehensively. These insights are crucial for adapting strategies and maximizing your sales. Now, if you're planning on using Niche Scraper on your phone, you want to see like the results and check your data. Unfortunately, they don't actually offer a mobile app at this moment, which could be a downside if you're planning on using your phone. Chances are you're probably doing most of your business from your laptop anyway, so that shouldn't really be a deal breaker. Overall, the reviews and user feedback for Niche Scraper is largely very positive, with people praising the really effective product discovery and comprehensive market analysis capabilities. If you look at their FAQ section, they tell you like what's so special about Niche Scraper. Well, they have one of the most advanced product web crawlers available, and it's written by ex-Facebook and ex-Instagram employees. It is capable of analyzing trends and data to reveal true winning products that no other product research service can compete with. So that's a huge, really bold statement. And you know what? The fact that it was written by ex-Facebook and Instagram employees kind of signals that the product is probably really, really good. That's what I would assume if I didn't know anything about it. Clearly, Niche Scraper is an excellent choice for dropshippers focusing on discovering trending products and analyzing market opportunities. Its strengths in product research and analysis makes it a valuable tool. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comments section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.